Oh no, not yet. She said no. Okay, I'm Abid Khaleel with Elkay Manufacturing. I just want to tell you a little bit about our new apron front sink. Our apron front sink comes in 4 styles, or 4 sinks, if you will. One large single bowl, a double bowl, a 60/40, and a low divide. 31 inches wide, so it'll fit in a standard sink base. And you get a choice of 4 different apron styles, 4 different apron colors. Okay, so Jubilee Blue over here, Platinum, what are we calling this? Sunset. Our red. Okay. This is our copper, and then stainless steel front. Okay, so all of these, especially this product here and this part, these are painted. Some of these have a PVD finish, so very, very durable. But the really big thing about this is the design community now can come to Elkay, have a choice of a sink style and have a choice of an apron style, and give a consumer a very different kind of product for their home. And it'll coordinate with all their other appliances, because more and more appliances are becoming a colored product these days. All right, so thank you for coming to the Elkay booth.